So, welcome students for this foundation class. Today we will have a test. Through test, we will try to learn some theory. So, that is the format today. I'll just show the screen. Welcome, Aditi. So, we will do a test and try to learn some theory based on this test. So, we normally what we say in a colloquial language, you study and then afterwards you will tear the book. They will say, but now, I mean, it means what? You study and then you can close the book after your exams. You will not open it, no. So it's called tearing the book. Now we are going to tear the book by invading into the lesson, and then through that we are trying to study the science. Okay, that is the in Tamil we say padittu kili kilittu padi. So like that we say. So this is some kind of a idiom. So that is not very important. We'll go to the class. So foundation class science test today. So now question number 1. Name the process by which a drop of ink spreads in a beaker. Suppose in a beaker with full of water, you are putting one drop of ink. So what, and it spreads, you know that, it spreads. What is that process called? Immersion, diffusion, mixing, sublimation. Name, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now we are asking, name the process by which a drop of ink spreads in a beaker full of water. That's the meaning. Beaker full of water. Like that. Immersion means what? You must be having immersion heater. You must have seen it. If you want to have a hot water, either you will have solar. If you have a solar, then you will get hot water, or you can have a geyser. Have you seen geyser?
No, sir.
Okay, geyser is an equipment which is attached to your outlet, water outlet, that will heat and then give the hot water. Otherwise, you will use immersion rod. Have you seen that immersion rod for getting the hot water for bathing or something? Sometimes they use. Or the fourth, what is the fourth option to get hot water? In what are the ways you can make a water hot? You can get hot water. Yes, Palak, you tell me in what are the ways you can get hot water?
By keeping in stove.
Yes,
By
by
keeping
keeping
boil.
in your in your gas stove. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry, I actually went out. I don't know how I went out of the class. So let me share the screen. Are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, name the process by which a drop of ink spreads in a beaker full of water. Immersion means you will immerse in that liquid. That is, that the object goes inside the water. That is called immersion. Your immersion takes place during this Ganesh Puja. The Ganesh idols are immersed in the ocean. Yes or no? Palak, you have Ganesh Puja in your place? What happened? Palak is joined just now. Okay, Palak or Aditi, you have a Ganesh Puja in your place?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there after 3 or 4 days they will immerse the Ganesh idols. That is called immersion. So is it a immersion? This process can be called as immersion. Ink spreading in the beaker full of water.
Yes, sir.
No, it is immersion means a solid will go into the liquid. That is called immersion. So, but ink is a liquid and the other water is also liquid. So that is not correct. Mixing is something, you mix two liquids. You mix two liquids. So that is mixing. Diffusion is the right answer because it spreads slowly. Once you put the ink goes down, it spreads very slowly. That is, it diffuses. Slowly it gets into the water, and after some time it may become, the entire water will become blue in color because the ink is in blue in color. So that process is called diffusion. Sublimation is what? What is the process of sublimation? A
A substance will change from solid to
solid to
gas
gas without
directly,
becoming a liquid. That's called
attaining the
sublimation.
liquid state.
Yeah. Bypassing the liquid stage, a solid bypasses the liquid stage and goes into gaseous state. Suppose you fire or you heat a solid, then that goes like that. Okay? Camphor, for example. Camphor.
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you? Katpur. In Hindi, you call Katpur? What do you call for camphor in Hindi?
Kapoor, sir.
Kapoor,
Kapoor.
yes. Katpur in Tamil also it's Katpur only. So you just heat the fire that camphor, it becomes a gas. It does not become a liquid. So that is called sublimation. So diffusion is the right answer because the ink spreads slowly into the water. That is the thing. So answer is diffusion. Okay. Question 2. Palak, can you read this?
Yes, sir. The momentum of a body is doubled. What is the percentage of increase in kinetic energy?
Have you studied momentum and kinetic energy in your school?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is the momentum formula for momentum? How do you calculate momentum? Mass into velocity. Momentum equal to m into v. What is the formula for kinetic energy? No, you did not study this, huh? Soundarya, have you studied kinetic energy?
No, sir.
Oh, acha, acha. That is why you are not able to say. See, mv square. It's called mv square. Kinetic energy is equal to Ke is equal to Ke is equal to half mv square. mv square. M is mass, v is velocity square. Now, the momentum is equal to
M into V.
m into v. Fantastic. M into v. Now they say momentum is doubled. Means the mass is same. It is not changing. Velocity has doubled. It means velocity has doubled. Momentum doubled means velocity doubled. So what will be the kinetic energy? Change in kinetic energy. Because in kinetic energy you have v square. Suppose if v equal to 2 and it doubles, it becomes 4, kinetic energy will become what? 4 square. Isn't it? V square, it will become V square. Sorry, 2 square, it will become 2 square. So the new kind, see, I'll tell you. New momentum is equal to m into 2v. So it is 2mv because now the velocity increased by twice mv. Because they say momentum has doubled. From mv it has become mv. So that is velocity has doubled. So new kinetic energy will be how much? Tell me. Half is remains same. M remains same. V is become 2v. So v square, that 2v square is how much?
4v square.
4v square. So that is equal to, so it becomes 4 times. Earlier it was half mv square. Now it is 4 into half mv square. It becomes 4 times. But what is asked? 4 times means what? 400%. What is the percentage increase? Suppose from 100% it increases to 400%. What is the percentage increase? How much is increased? 300%
300%.
is the
300
right
percentage.
answer. Yes, 300%. This is how we have to calculate. Suppose some price has gone up by twice. From 5 rupees it has gone to 10 rupees. What is the percentage increase?
5%.
No, from 5 rupees it has gone to 10 rupees. Some toffee, some sweet. It was 5 rupees some 6 months back, now it is 10 rupees, let us say. What is the increase?
50.
No, what is the increase? From 5 to 10, what is the increase? 5, the price of a product is 5 rupees 6 months back. Now it is 10 rupees. How much it has increased? What is the increase? Why you are getting, you are not able to understand? See, the price of a product is, let us say, 5 rupees. Now it has gone up to 10 rupees. Now the price is 10 rupees. What is the increase? From 5 it has gone to 10. The increase is 5, isn't it? Hello?
Yes, sir. I told it earlier, sir.
You said 15, no?
No, sir. I said 5 and then 50.
Oh, 50. Okay, you said 5?
Yes, sir. 50.
Okay,
At
okay.
first, I said
Yeah,
5.
yeah, okay, okay. 5 is the increase. Okay. What is the percentage increase? Percentage is always the increase divided by original value into 100. So what is that? 5. Original value is 5. 5 divided by 5 into 100. That is equal to 100%. Okay. In other words, you can do like this. See, the 5 becomes 10. It means what? Increase is 5. The percentage increases. This is a problem with many students. I don't know. Percentage increase how much? Percentage increase is equal to the quantum increased, that is increase is 5, that one, divided by the original amount, that is 5, into 100. Into 100. So that much is that. So that is equal to 100%. Same way here, in this one, kinetic energy is half mv square. Now it has become 4 into half mv square. So the percentage increase is 3 mv square. That is equal to 3 mv square divided by 1 mv square into 100. That is equal to 300%. So that is how you should calculate. So now what all we have learnt here, Soumya, you tell me, what all we learnt? We learnt momentum, we learnt kinetic energy. What is momentum is equal to? What is the formula for momentum?
2mv, sir.
No, momentum formula is m into v. See, m into v. Kinetic energy, new momentum is 2 mv because it is increased by doubled. It doubled means 2 mv. What is the kinetic energy formula?
1
Half
upon
into mv square.
Half mv square. So, if the momentum doubles, it means the velocity doubles. So, the kinetic energy will double by, it will go by, it go to 4 times. That means increase is 3 times. I think this we discussed in our mathematics also. In our mathematics class, I used to discuss this. No, idli. It is called idli story. Have you heard of idli story? Any of you? Did you listen to idli story from me in any of the classes? Palak?
No, sir.
Okay. Now I will tell that
Spoken.
story. Palak is very fond of. I mean, Palak's mother, Palak's father is very fond of Palak. Palak normally takes three idlis. Sorry, four idlis rather. Four idlis. Palak normally takes four idlis. One day, mother scolded Palak for some mischief she has done or mistake she has done. Next day, because she was very sad and she ate only three idlis. What is the decrease in idli? First day
One
it was
idli, sir.
One
four.
idli.
Huh? Yeah,
One idli, sir.
one idli. What is the percentage decrease? From four it has become three. What is the percentage decrease?
4 minus 3 by 100, sir.
No. Percentage decrease. Decrease means it is only decrease is one. 1 by 3 into. So 1 by original was 4. 1 by 4 into 100. Isn't it? It is 1 by 4 into 100 because see this is I don't know why the many students.
25 percentage, sir.
Huh? How much? How much you said? First day
1 by 4 into 100, 25
Palak
percentage.
takes 4 idlis. Palak, you have to answer this. It is your question. Second day, because our mother shouted at her, second day she took only 3 idlis. So what is the decrease in idli?
One idli, sir.
1 idli decrease. So what is the percentage decrease? Percentage decrease is equal to the quantum decreased divided by the original quantum. Original is 4. 4 into 100. How much it is? 1 by 4 into 100 is how much?
25.
25%. Correct. Very good. So now, and Palak's father is fond of Palak very much. He comes on the second day to home in the evening and he could find something wrong with Palak. She was, by looking at her face, she asked what has happened. She says, mother scolded me. And then father immediately cajoled her and then embraced her and then was actually trying to console her. And Palak became normal. The third day, she took again, she took four idlis because her father was very cajoled and then consoled her. Now, what is the increase on the third day? How much is the increase?
100
One.
percentage.
No, one idli. You tell me in this thing. One idli. Because from three, second day it was three, and the third day it was four. So increase was one idli. Always when you say increase from the previous thing, one idli. What is the percentage increase?
33.3 percentage.
Percentage increase is 1 divided by the original was 3, 1 by 3 into 100 is equal to 33%. So this is very important. This comes in many forms up to your MBA. I am just teaching to MBA students in one of the college some 3-4 weeks back. That time I was saying the same thing. They were not able to do it because we have not we have studied so many things in our school, but we have not studied by understanding thoroughly. That is the problem. You have studied percentages maybe when you are in 6th or 7th. Am I correct? Percentages, when did you study?
Yes.
6th or 7th.
Six or
But
seven.
then
Seven.
this is how you can. For example, no, the increase will be always compared to the past, immediate past, and then you should see what is the increase, and then and the percentage increase always increase divided by the original value into 100. That is how you can look at. Okay, so this is the question we said. Sorry, this is here the momentum is doubled, they say. So the original momentum was mv, double means new momentum is 2 mv. So here v has increased from v to 2v. Kinetic energy, what is the increase, percentage increase in kinetic energy? From half mv square, it has gone to half m into 4v square. So it means it has become, from original kinetic energy, it has gone by 4 times. It means that is 300%. Okay, right. Go to question number 3. Palak, can you read it?
Yes, sir. In vacuum, all freely falling objects.
All freely falling objects have the same speed, same velocity, same acceleration, same force in vacuum. So we know all these 4 terms. Speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity, acceleration is the rate of change of speed, force is, that is different. Okay, force is the effect of the this one. Okay, so in a vacuum, oh, I have not given the answer. Why I have not given the answer? No, sorry. So it is the same acceleration. Acceleration. For example, rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Because there in a vacuum there is no gravity, no force, the velocity will not change. I mean, velocity will change uniformly. So that is why we say it will have same acceleration. Where is it? It has same acceleration. Okay. Let's go to question number 4. Yes, Soundarya, can you read it?
The density of water is maximum at
0 degree Celsius, that is 1. 277 Kelvin, what does it mean, 277 Kelvin? Have you studied Kelvin?
yes, sir.
So what is that Kelvin is all about?
It is used in international stations. It is the SI unit of heat.
1 minute, 1. Kelvin to centigrade, no? We'll see what is the relation.
Yes, sir.
Kelvin,
Kelvin plus C.
Kelvin and centigrade, no? Relation. What is the relation? Kelvin equal to 273 plus C, that will be the Kelvin. Okay, if you want to calculate Kelvin, if you know C, suppose 10 degree centigrade means Kelvin is 283, 273 plus 10, like that. Okay, so now, so 277 Kelvin, 0 degree Celsius means how much? This is 273 Kelvin, 73.5. 100 degree Celsius means how much?
373.
373 Kelvin. Sorry, Kelvin. Then 283 Kelvin. 283 Kelvin. Density of water is maximum at
100 degrees Celsius.
is it? Density of water is maximum at. Let's look at density of water is maximum at
Sir, 4 degrees Celsius, sir.
maximum. Uh, wait. What is it? 4 degrees Celsius.
Yes, sir. That means 277 Kelvin.
277 is the right answer. Yes. Why it is 4 degrees Celsius?
Sir, that is the rule, sir. I have studied in
Yes,
textbook.
correct. You go and find out that. See, you just studying and memorizing is not enough. Why it is like that? 277 degrees centigrade means is little more than 0 Celsius. See, it is little more than, it's a 4 degrees Celsius. That is 276 Kelvin. Why? In a 0 degree Celsius, it will become ice. Water will become ice. So this is ice. This is still ice, but then it's still cold. This is again cold, whereas this is actually is 277. 273 is ice. Density, it is 4 degrees Celsius. 4 degree Celsius. It is degrees Celsius. Wait, 1 minute, 1 minute. 270 0 degrees Celsius means ice. It is 4 degrees Celsius, and 100 degrees Celsius, that will evaporate, which is less.
Boiling point
But
of
I
water.
think between 0 and 4, between 0 and 4, there is it's a transition stage from water to ice, right? Or ice to water. So that in that stage, the 4 degrees Celsius will be the maximum. This one, okay. You go and find the exact no reason for it. I'm not able to tell you properly now. You can sorry. The answer is 277 Kelvin. Yes, 4 degrees or 4 degrees Celsius or 4 degree Celsius. Okay. Next question. Okay. Next question. Palak or Aditi, can you read? Whoever is there, Palak or Aditi, any one of you, whoever is there.
Choose the wrong statement.
Choose the wrong statement. Unit of force is Newton. Is it correct? Yes, unit of force is
Yes, sir.
Newton. Force changes shape of the body. Yes, sometimes force may change the shape. Suppose the very big force attacks a body, then the shape may change. Force is always conserved. Force is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity because force is equal to m into a. Force is equal to m into a, mass into acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity, so force is also vector quantity. So the wrong statement, force is always conserved, is the wrong. What is conserved is energy is always conserved, not force. So that is the answer. Question 5. Question 5.